Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need Windows 11 and an active Microsoft account. Once ready, open Settings and go straight to System Clipboard. Turn Clipboard History on, because without it you only get the last item. Then press Win+V to open the Clipboard pane. This is your working surface. Pin items you'll reuse so they don't expire. Make sure sync is off until you decide to share across devices, and note that Clipboard respects app permissions and sign-in state. Once done opening the Clipboard pane, try copying several items, text, images, and small files. Then press Win+V to choose which to paste. You can pin important snippets so they stay available. Use the three-dot menu to delete single entries or clear all history when needed. To share clips across devices, enable sync in Clipboard settings and sign into the same Microsoft account. This sends encrypted snippets to your devices. Remember that large file. To finish, paste from Win+V into the apps you use, Word, Notepad, or your browser, to confirm expected behavior. If items don't sync, make sure you're signed into the same Microsoft account on each device and toggle Sync Off then On. Sometimes a sign out and sign in resets the connection. If you encounter stuck or corrupted entries, clear the clipboard from Settings Clipboard Clear. This forces a fresh state. One tip: disable third-party clipboard managers if results remain inconsistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.